Cheryl Janine. I am back with day 5 of your 30-day blueprint to start a business. So today we're talking about branding. Now, branding is more than just a logo. It's actually way more than that. It's the feeling people get when they interact with your business. So today I'm breaking down the key branding elements you need and showing you how to use AI to create great logos and other branding assets, even if you have zero design skills. So let's get into it. Now, what is branding and why does it matter? Well, branding is the way your business looks, feels, and communicates with your audience. So from a visual standpoint, you should never gloss over how you're showing up. Everything needs to be cohesive and professional. It also needs to match the energy of your price point. So if you're selling higher ticket offers, you should definitely be looking more upscale, more upgraded, and more professional, because those are the people that you want to attract. You have to understand that a strong brand is going to build trust and attract the people that you actually want to work with. So no matter what your price point is, always match that energy with how your brand looks. For communication, your messaging needs to be on point. That is part of the foundation of your entire brand. All right, when you think about it, your brand's purpose, your mission, your identity, your story, all these different things are the foundation of your brand, and you have to build on that. So your message and the way you communicate has to come across in a way that pulls people in and not repels them. Your brand should answer these questions. Who are you? What do you stand for? And why should people choose you over others? Okay, so let's take a look at some famous brands just for an example. Apple. Apple has a minimalist design, a sleek logo, and a focus on innovation. Now, their messaging is simple, sophisticated, and forward-thinking. Nike has bold and powerful branding. It's been that way for years. The swoosh logo represents movement, and their messaging inspires action. And Coca-Cola uses consistent red and white branding, classic typography, and emotion-driven marketing. So after looking at those brands, we can see that the key to branding is consistency. These brands don't just have a logo, they have a feeling attached to them, and that's exactly what you want to create for your business. Okay, so let's break down the 5 core elements of a strong brand. The first thing is your brand's name and tagline. You want to keep it simple, catchy, and relevant to your audience. Nike's tagline is just do it. Apple's tagline is think different. Really simple. Next, you have your logo and visual identity. So your logo, colors, and fonts create a strong first impression. Now for your logo, in my opinion, less is always more. If you look at higher end brands, they don't have a lot going on with their logos. Really simple, and really simple can make a big impact. For your fonts, you might want something classic. You might want something bold or modern. So you have to pick and choose what you want your brand's identity to be and how you want to stand out visually. Now for your brand colors and fonts, colors trigger emotions, fonts set the tone. Now, whatever emotions you have set in stone for your brand, that's the energy you want to match up with the colors that you choose, okay? Because it's all going to create something whole when you put these pieces together. So figure out your emotions, write those down, make a list of 5 or however many you want, and then choose your colors based on that psychology. Now your brand voice and messaging. Are you fun and playful? Are you serious and professional? Define how you speak to your audience. And finally, you have your brand story and values. What's your mission? Why did you start this business? Once again, these are the key foundational pieces that you need. Once you get these in place and pull these together, you can build anything you want. Now let's make branding easy with AI. So here are some powerful AI tools to create your brand identity. So first we have Looka.com. This one instantly generates professional logos based on your preference. Next we have Canva's AI Logo Maker. It's user-friendly and fully customizable. Then we have Brandmark.io. This one creates AI-powered branding kits with logo, color palettes, and font suggestions. And then we have Colormind.io. This one is an AI-based color palette generator for brand colors. So now that you have an idea of what your brand's foundation needs to be, it's time to bring it to life. Okay, so here we are at Looka.com. And if we wanted to see what comes up for logo designs, you can go to Logo Maker. Enter your company name, brand ambition. Let's make a logo. Okay, now you have to pick your industry. So let's say Academy. Okay, they give you selections and you can choose from what you like from these selections. Say that one. Maybe that one. Okay. Pick some colors you like. Now, if you hover over these colors, they give you some psychology behind these colors. Like if you want blue, then you want your brand representing depth, trust, loyalty, confidence, those types of things. So each color has its own psychology behind it. So that's pretty good. So we're just going to choose pink because we want more feminine here. Let's just say pink and orange. Continue. Company name is there. If you want to add a slogan, you could. Pick some symbol types. Let's see. We can go with creativity. Oops. Creativity, strength, excellence, education. Okay. Okay, and now it's going to give me some different ones to choose from. Okay, and you can customize it. Okay, so this is looka.com. Also, if we go over to ideogram.ai, I've also created logos over here. So this was for like a skincare brand. So something like this would be minimalist. And all I did was ask ChatGPT to give me a logo design prompt. And I put it in here, and this is what they gave me. So these are different prompts over here. Like you can see it, there's a prompt there. And it may or may not be the one that I actually put in here, because sometimes Ideogram will change it as you keep designing and generating more. Don't forget, with Ideogram, you're limited with your generations here. I think it's either 5 or 10. It used to be 20, but if you want to do this for free, you get limited generations. You'll have to upgrade to the next plan to get more or unlimited generations. Okay, so that's that. And yeah, so they give you different things here. Just depends. Once you put the prompt in from whatever ChatGPT gives you, you can go ahead and edit it. So if you want to change out some colors, you know, things like that, you can just go ahead and edit the prompt once you put it in here. Okay. Yeah, so that's what you can do for here in Ideogram. Let me see. That's my profile here. And I'm going to go down. I've done so much in Ideogram. Like this was something that I also created, Empowered and Bold. Something to go on like a t-shirt or something for women. Things like that. So you can do a lot over here in Ideogram. Okay. This is a mock-up I did. You can do mock-ups. Like I said, this is all from prompts that ChatGPT gave me. Okay. But yeah, as I scroll down, you can see how it gets a little bit different. I really like this one. Something with the circle around it. Then you have the elegance of this over here with the A. So it's just so many different things you can do here if you want to do your own logos. And as you grow your business, you're going to need more and more logos for different things. So something to look at, something to play around with. Like I said, choose your colors, choose your fonts, things like that. and set some foundation for your brand and just go from there. So as we continue on with the series, we're going to be diving into so much more. So by the end of 30 days, you have a complete blueprint to start your business. Thank you for watching. Make sure you subscribe for more videos, and also let me know in the comments what your brand name is. I'd love for you to share.